had to share this super fun 3-in-1 remote control car I got for my son's trip. It's honestly one of the coolest toys I've ever seen in a long time. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and a tank for the water. It's amazing how this thing works. You only have to unscrew the bottom and put the battery in, and then you're good to go. You also have to put the batteries to the remote, but that's the simplest thing. In the water tank, it's just so amazing. I have never seen this. Also good, waterproof. My son was in love with this toy. Our family was too. I want one for myself. I totally recommend it.